First exercise. Place 2 dumbbells on the floor at shoulder width and assume a push-up position, gripping the dumbbell handles. Lower your body slowly until your chest is below the level of the dumbbells. Push back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Rest. Second exercise. Lie on the floor with knees bent and feet flat, holding dumbbells above your chest with palms facing forward. Lower the dumbbells to the sides of your chest. Press the dumbbells back up to the starting position, exhaling as you do. Repeat.
Stranded in the open, dried out
Rest.
tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion,
Third exercise.
staring down the barrel way.
Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell with both hands in front of your chest. Press the dumbbell directly forward until your arms are fully extended, squeezing the dumbbell between your palms. Slowly bring the dumbbell back towards your chest, maintaining tension in your chest muscles. Keep your elbows slightly bent throughout the movement to protect your joints. Repeat. Rest. Fourth exercise. Lie on the floor with a dumbbell in each hand, arms extended towards the ceiling. Hinge at the elbows, lowering the dumbbells towards your forehead. Keep your upper arms still. The movement should only occur at the elbows. Extend your arms back to the starting position, squeezing your triceps at the top. Repeat. Rest. Fifth exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Keep a slight bend in your elbows as you raise the dumbbells out to the sides. Lift until your arms are parallel to the floor, then pause briefly at the top. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position in a controlled manner. Repeat. Rest. Sixth exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with a neutral grip. Curl one weight towards your shoulder, keeping your elbow stationary and your palm facing your body. Lower the dumbbell back to the starting position while simultaneously curling the weight in the opposite hand. Alternate arms with each repetition, keeping your movements controlled and deliberate. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions on each arm. 7th exercise. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, holding dumbbells at your sides with palms facing forward. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders without moving your upper arms. At the top of the curl, rotate your wrists so your palms face down. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position with palms facing down. Rotate your wrists back to the starting position and repeat. Rest. Eighth exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Keep your elbows fixed and close to your torso. Rotate the dumbbells by turning your wrists, moving from a palms down to a palms up position. Rotate back to the starting position. Repeat. Rest. Ninth exercise. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Bend your knees slightly and hinge at the hips to lower your torso until it's almost parallel to the floor, keeping your back straight. Let the dumbbells hang at arm's length with palms facing each other. Bend your elbows and pull the dumbbells to your side. Lower them back to the starting position. Repeat. Rest. Last exercise. Stand or sit with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Raise your shoulders towards your ears as high as possible, exhaling as you lift. Hold the contraction at the top for a moment, then slowly lower your shoulders back to the starting position while inhaling. Repeat.